you cross the street, you must check the traffic lights. A red light means stop.
Stop!
A yellow light means yield.
Yield!
Green is the best way to go.
Whenever you cross the street, you must check for cars. Take your time, look left, right. Take your time, look left, right. Wait for the green light. Ready now, let's go! Yeah!
Hi, we're back again with me, Teacher Sharifa for English. Do you enjoy singing the song? Okay, now time for exercise. Let's do together. Okay, listen to me and color the word. Okay. First, the first picture is lorry. Lorry. Color the word lorry. Okay, are you done? Let's move to the next picture. Bus. Color the word bus. Bus. Okay, well done. Next, road. Color the word road. Okay, then is traffic light. Traffic light. Color the word traffic light. And lastly is signboard. Color the word signboard. Yay! We have finished today's task. Well done, everyone. See you for the next class. Bye-bye.